Lucille. Today, what we're going to be doing, or what I'm going to be doing, is putting my engine in the engine and transmission finally back in the car. Finally making some progress. So, without further ado, man, let's get to it. Let's do it. Nothing. All right, so we finally got her in. Let me tell you, I had to fight with this bolt right here. I ended up taking the motor mount loose just a little bit to get the bolt in and then tightening it back up. So it's good. It's good now. So it's all in there, all bolted up. Man, I gotta tell you, she looks really good sitting in there. I just gotta finish everything up and finish this thing up as well. This was my 4th of July weekend right here. This was mine. Getting this done. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. Yes, so hit that bell for notifications so you can be up to date on when this thing is finally done and ready to rock and roll. All right, I'm out.